It's for the people that do it.
Yo, what it do? It's your boy Mickey Films. As you can see, this is my 1998 BMW E36 M3. This is when I first found her. Shout out to my boy Trey. I didn't even have a Facebook. I was using his Facebook. I found her in Philadelphia, in Philly. Shout out to VAC Motor. They do dope work. But anyways, long story short, I went out there. You can see here, I had her in the tow truck. We brought her home, brought her in the garage. I started, looking around, making sure, there was no major problems. Found some rust. You can see it up here, the windshield. A few rust on the quarter panel. On the door sills. So, overall, it was a solid car. I paid $6,200 for the car. I got it towed. I drove 4 hours, not even like 6 hours, damn near traffic and all of that, but it was well worth it. This is when I first got to the shop. I had the car for a year in my garage, and finally in 2020, December, I took it to my shop. Shout out to my boy Juan. Juan, old school, he got it in. He did a hell of a job. I can't complain, I love it. Well, anyway, this is when I first brought it to him. Yeah, man, there she goes. She had the brown interior. The black paint was already faded out. Had a lot of scratches. Kind of hard to tell. I was filming with my iPhone. But yeah, man, this is where it's at. This is once they started to, rip it apart, take out some pieces, some parts. That was me screwing with that front cover BMW that I had purchased prior to. So, I started buying everything I needed, part by part, piece by piece, before I even took it to get it painted. That way, when it was time, I had everything I needed. I did have to, go back and forth to BMW, and shout out to FCP Euro in Milford. I got a lot of parts from them, mostly online.
You like it?
I'm loving it. It's looking beautiful. Remember this part I got that line right there? That was because of the happening. I got it. Rust gone. So these rims here, I found them on Marketplace. I think I paid like $250, and they were not in the greatest shape, but I decided I wanted to go with these instead of the ones that were on the car. So I went, got them powder coated, and this is how they turned out. I love the look. Got the black on black look with the red calipers to match the red interior. And this is me. This is the day I went and got new tires for the freshly powder coated wheels. Well, they weren't freshly powder coated. I was sitting on them for a while. They was in my garage for quite a bit, and finally went to a tire shop and got them freshly mounted, balanced, and yeah. Everybody on the brand new tire. Woo! I'm doing looking fine. Next though, she coming next. Stay tuned. Alright, shout out to my boy John. This is when we started getting the interior done. You can see he stripped everything out, took the seats out. He's back there messing around with the window. And he took everything out, carpet out, new black carpet, new hairliner, new interior, new everything. This is the new, I got the Bab speakers, shout out to Bab. Shout out to John, he installed them for me. So he took that hassle out the way. I still do need some type of bass box and an amp. I don't have enough power. That was the Alcantara roof. There goes the old seats. There goes the headliner before it was done with the Alcantara.
What's up guys, take a look at these. What we're cooking up here in Lamborghini Rosso. You don't see this too much.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mickey Films. I'm just here to give you a little introduction about my car. I've been a BMW fanatic since 13 years old. Always loved the E36 M3. 3 years ago, I got the opportunity to purchase my baby, and as you can see, I'm in love with her. Interior is done. Just very passionate. I'm 35 years old now, so